हेलो स्टूडेंट, एनसीईआरटी एजुकेशन में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको क्लास 9th इंग्लिश की बुक मूवमेंट का फर्स्ट चैप्टर करवाएंगे, द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड के क्वेश्चन आंसर, वर्ड मीनिंग, आरटीसी एंड एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन। चलो पहला क्वेश्चन करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर के। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन,
Chapter 1 The Lost Child Word Meaning. First, Alice, meaning the street, Sadak. Second, emerged, meaning came out, मतलब बाहर आया. Third, galley, meaning pleasantly, सुख से. Fourth, clad, meaning bushy, jungly. Fifth, lingering, meaning lazy, आलसी. Sixth, रेसिडिंग मीनिंग टू गो बैक, वापस जाने के लिए. सेवन्थ, गोडी मीनिंग गैरिश, भड़कीला. एट्थ, फ्लटरिंग मीनिंग वेव, लहराता. नाइन्थ, कंटिन्यूरिंग मीनिंग वार्निंग, चेतावनी. 10, कन्वर्जिंग मीनिंग टर्निंग, मोड़ पर जाना. 11, वेलमिंग मीनिंग ग्रेटली, अत्यधिक बहुत. 12, इनिशियली मीनिंग काइंडली. 13, कॉन्वल्स्ड मीनिंग सफर वायलेंट इनवॉल्यूंटरी कंट्रक्शन. 14th, डिसकॉन्सुलेट मीनिंग वेरी अनहैप्पी एंड अनेबल इन बी इनकम्फर्ट. इसको आप अनहैप्पी भी लिख सकते हैं, इसकी हिंदी है बहुत दुखी. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. Question number 1. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? What does he lag behind? Answer. The child sees toys, balloons, sweets, garland of galmohar in the shops. He lags behind because he gets attracted towards them. Question number 2. In the fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Answer. The boy wants to buy toys, Burfi, flowers and balloons, etc. But he moves on without waiting for an answer because he knows that his parents will not buy them for him. Question number 3. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? Answer. The boy was round about in the fair and wanted to go on it. He requested to his parents, but there was not any reply. His parents were not with him. He cried in fear, tears rolled down from his eyes. Question number 4. How did the father distract the child mind from the toy seller? Answer. The boy was fascinated by the toys in the shops. The father looked at him with red eyes. The boy was familiar with that look, so the child understood that he could not have the toys. Question number 5. Why did the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? Answer. The child wanted to buy a number of things, but when he was lost, he did not have the interest in them. He had lost his parents, so everything for him was now waste. Question number 6. What do you think happened in the end? Does the child find his parents? Answer. At the end of the story, child was not interested in anything in the fair. He was crying for his mother and father. He does not find his parents. So the writer has given the title Lost Child to his story. Extra questions. Question number 1. How did the boy try to catch the dragonfly? Answer. There was a mustard field before the child. He saw a group of dragonfly in the field. He was attracted to. Then the boy tried to catch it, but it flew away when he had almost caught it in the hand. Question number 2. English thing the boy asked his parents to buy for him. Answer. He wanted garland, balloons and sweets over there. all, he also wanted to see the snake and take a ride on the swing. Question number third. How did the child lost in the fair? Answer. The boy was attracted to toys, balloons and sweets in the fair. He got fascinated with the flute. Music began play by the snake charmer. While watching the roundabout swing, he got separated from his parents. RTC reference to contest. Question number 1. When did the father look red eye at the child? Answer. The father looked red eye at the child when he pleaded for toys that were in the shops line the way to the fair. Question number 2. Who is tyrant? A tyrant is a cruel man who always keeps his self-interest supreme. Second point, was the father actually a tyrant? Answer. No, the father was not a tyrant in the sense of the term. C point, why do you think so? Answer. Because he was simply a strict disciple as a parents. Third, what was the free spirit of the day had made the mother tender? Answer. The free spirit of the day was the beauty of the field, which flowered, which mustard, which was as tender as the mother feeling for the child. Fourth, why did the mother ask the child to look before him? Answer. The mother asked the child to look before him because he wanted to divert his attention from the toys in the shops without upsetting him after his father's stern refused. Second part, but he half marked. Say he was graded. First, who is the in these lines? Answer. He is the kind man who recused the child from getting trampled in the shrine. 2. Question number 2. What was the play made by him? Answer. He made the play to his parents to buy him the sweet meat burfi being sold at the stand of the fair. Question number 3. How did he half know but his spirit would not be headed? Answer. The child finally pleaded with his parents to let him go on a ride on the round book.